So for my week 5 project, it says to start with a class called logger. So I made it a public interface logger, and I made 2 public void sign in with the string log and then an invalid login for string error. And then I did the asterisk logger class. I did 2 private strings, one for log, one for error. I did a public void sign in, and when I used this method, I did this dot log equals log, and then I did the system printout with the asterisks dot plus log plus the asterisks, and then I did the public void invalid login, and I did it again. I did the exact same thing as I did up here, and then I had this system print with the asterisks, 3 asterisks error with the plus error plus 3 asterisks, and then the bottom, so it prints out the box like it did right here. And then I made a class called app, and then I made the public static void, or I didn't make it. It had the public static void. I made this class to have the public the method, whereas these two, they didn't have the method on there. And then I did the asterisk logger equals new asterisk logger. And then when I did the logger dot sign in hello, and then logger invalid login hello. And when I ran it, it did this. And I can always change it to like hi. And then save it, run it, and then it does hi. And then it asks to do a space logger class. In this one, I made 2 private strings, the log and the error. I did a public void string log. So for this one, I did a string builder, and I used a for loop, an if statement, and then I did a login dot append. And then that way it counts the spaces, or it makes the spaces, and then login dot append log dot char at I. So it will take the character and it should space it out like right here. I did the syst out login dot to string, so it goes back to the string right here. So it will say s.logger hello. I did the exact same thing down here. The only thing that's different is the syst out, where it says error plus invalid dot string, and that's where it says error hello with the space. And that's what I did. Thank you. Right. And